So today we're gonna do a cleaning. There it is. All right, I just went shopping. All right, TNT. So Chinese. Okay. So what we got here is, oh, this is dirty. Oh, my dirty cloth. Gucci. I'm not gonna say tigers because they don't look like tigers. They look like panthers. I think it's a panther, cougar, panther, whatever. I'm still gonna call it a tiger. Check this out. Oh my God. Look at that. Like, what did he do? I don't know, but this is really dirty. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick 360. All right. And this customer, he's the same customer that owns the Gucci Tigers, the tutorial that I did not too long ago. I'm gonna quickly go over the usual supply loadout, okay? So you guys can get started if you really wanna clean the same shoe with the same stains that I have right here. He wants the premium freaking clean, which is awesome, which means I'm gonna be detailing the bottom. I'm gonna be cleaning his inside of the feet area. I took out the insoles and I put in the shoe tree in there because I wanted to speed this thing up. Now, here is the insoles, all right? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, a lot of foot stains, okay? We're gonna wipe this evidence clean. You'll see later on in this video. Why do I, oh yeah, forgot. He has brand new Chinese noodles, laces, so they're very fat. So I told him, like, you know, dude, your eyelids are so small. I don't think this is gonna fit. But as I was cleaning my last shoe, the girls, Alexander McQueen's, I knew about this already because this is part of the lineup queue of work I have to do. I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just swap this guy's laces with her pair. Where are my brushes? Oh yeah, TNT. Has all my stuff. Ooh, oh my God. Remember I mentioned about the Angelus brush? I did a little demo test and I don't like this. Not because when I was doing it, you know, the wood was all wet and slippery and stuff, but even without all that soapy suds and stuff crap on this wood, is not grippy enough. So I'm gonna be using the soft bristle brush from Rejuvenator and of course the medium bristle brush and the stiff brush, which I have no idea where. Oh my God. Okay. It's on the ground. What the hell? Oh yeah, of course. The medium brush. I was looking for it. Why? Because it is supporting my camera right now in front of the mirror so that it's stable. Duh. My 16 ounce. 3 ounces. Okay, it seems like everything is shrinking for some reason. Since this is a premium clean, we're going to use a Nestle Pure Life spring water. Grab your bowl or whatever. Oops. Okay, that was not planned. And I think that's a little bit too much. Premium water to freaking clean this premium shoe with my premium package cleaning, of course. Now, get your 16 ounce, whatever, 4 ounce, 3 ounce, doesn't matter, solution. Oh my God, this is actually too much, but okay. So let's just do, oh. I don't want to squirt it, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, all right, cool. Oh my God, I am running out already. Rejuvenator, come on. This is useless. Put these dirty insoles somewhere else. Grab this soft, sexy horse hair brush. I'm tempted to drink this. I don't know why. You can definitely grab a Rejuvenator. They actually have a new cleaning mat, which is very nice, but I'm not gonna do that. And I don't think I'll ever buy it because it's expensive, I'm sorry. And it's gonna get the microfiber cloth, whatever, dirty. I know it's really cool for those that really want the full package. Let's start cleaning the top of the laces. And I'm gonna continue talking. Oh, I think I put too much solution, but that's a good thing. Let's see how well this, I don't even know what this orange stain is, but it looks like it's doing something. Again, I'm not gonna be throwing this into the, hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it. But I'm not going to be throwing this in the wash. One thing I didn't show you guys earlier, and I already did the pre-inspection, Leon, come on, with my customer, is between the upper and the midsoles, it is already kind of splitting, so he knows about that. It is not my fault if he goes back to me and be like, Leon, you freaking ruined my cougars. You gotta pay me like $1,000 now. And I was like, hell no. All right, just cleaning this sucker, man. Let's clean the triple eyes of the Panthers. I tried to do an intro earlier today for this video. I'm like, yeah, okay, my friend likes the turtle. He thinks it's really cool. And I think it's really cool too. And I hope you guys like Mr. Turtle. But he was not outside this morning just because, let's dip it into, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just copying the Rejuvenator. But he was not outside earlier today. I think it was too early. I should definitely do like a time-lapse vlog, set a camera at his favorite sun tanning spot and just see his normal daily routine. I want to know what this turtle does on a daily basis. But the sun's coming out. I think he's gonna come out soon. So I'm gonna show you guys in later on in my deleted scenes. Please stick around. Asian hair. I don't think I will ever win or beat Johnny Bubble in a cleaning match because I am not that quick. I need to learn to be quicker. I'm using 2 cloths now. Oh my god. Pat it dry. I need to be quicker because he cleans shoes in like 10 seconds. I don't think I'm at that level yet. So, okay, let's pat this dry. I'm not even gonna remove the laces yet. You guys should know by now that depending on the shoe, of course, this is just all leather, right? There's no worry about like bleeding or anything. The shoe's already freaking bleeding. So I will go ahead and clean the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the other one with the soft bristle brush and then cut this off camera. I'm gonna do this off camera, sorry. And then we're gonna hit this with the medium brush and then let's go. Let's go. My new haircut. Woo! It's looking like a widow's peak. I'm not saying that I'm getting bald or anything, but I think it's the haircut. Bubble. All right, let's do the medium bristle brush. Gently, of course. This leather is actually, it's fine to put a little bit of pressure. I want to make sure that any of the dirt, stains, scuff marks, whatever, that the soft bristle brush can't do because it's very soft, duh. I'm gonna use this for my second phase. Make sure that the stitching, all that good stuff, the dirty stuff is going to come out. This particular shoe though, I don't think he even told me why it's so yellowy, what's going on with the stains. I'm gonna be gentle with the front because there is that Gucci tongue tag. I gotta be careful. And the laces, I gotta be careful with that. Okay. But yeah, I don't think my customer told me how his shoe got that dirty. Maybe it's some pee stains. He is not professional. How does he even have a little sneaker cleaning, whatever, customs business? How does he even get customers? Like the way he's acting right now, like the way he's cleaning shoes, making jokes. It's my style. I'm gonna do and continue doing it this way because I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to just, hey, you know what? Let's follow the trend of how other people do how-to tutorials and sneaker reviews. Let's keep it, more serious. Of course, you can still add a little humor in the video. Do just show yourself, like your personality, right? But I don't think there's anyone out there that is as annoying, weird. Oh, this wine cup is pissing me off. But the most important thing is, holy moly, I get the stuff done. It is quality. This is my quick freaking 1-2 round punching bag, whatever, on this shoe. And oh yeah, I like you too. Yes. So okay, let's carefully pat this dry because this leather, it is I guess premium leather. I guess all designer shoes, the leather, it is premium. By the way, that's already there. The little leather scuffs. Okay, just all right, that's already there. Oh, how you guys doing? What's your name? Oh, meow meow. What's your name? Poof poof. Okay, that's kind of weird. And your name? Cheetah. Oh, maybe this is a cheetah. Now this video is going to be a little bit cooler because I'm going to show you guys how to clean, well, just one side of the dirty insoles, because the outsoles are very, very, very dirty. Duh. And the way I do it, you know, I take time. Sometimes half an hour, depending on the outsole. Holy moly, sometimes an hour and a half or more just for one side. My OCD is hurting me. You know, it's not... What was I doing? HD shot of the Gucci insoles. Wait, the sun's coming out. Wait, okay, let's hold on, take a break. Your neck. I think you're really stretching out your neck. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. I just want to show everyone. You know, kind of like, do you want to have your own vlog? I mean, I could totally make you popular. You're gonna be the only turtle on YouTube, at least, you know, sneaker related. You're gonna have your own vlog, sneaker vlog, turtle, the day and life of what you do. Wow. So, any comments? No? Hold on. This is kind of embarrassing because I got my pajamas and I think there's neighbors probably watching me like, what am I doing? Here, what do you got to say? Nothing? Okay. You don't like it? Okay, focus. Now, grab a medium brush. I normally don't hold insoles as I'm cleaning it this close to my face, but because I don't have a tripod anymore and I'm not looking down onto the camera, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Is very easy. Just use whatever brush, not the stiff brush, of course. I'm skipping the soft bristle because it's not gonna do anything, honestly. It will do a little bit, but this looks like it's like fake leather on it anyway, so it's able to hold up the pressure in the brush of the medium brush. So I'm just gonna go over the whole thing. Make sure we wipe that freaking evidence. A lot of times they're cheap foam, it's delicate, but this one seems like it's some kind of Rhython. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna hit it anyways because I have a feeling. Am I shaking the camera? I think I am. Oh my god. Because I have a feeling that my customer will watch this tutorial. So much better. All right, so the bottoms, yeah, how do I normally start? There is no right or wrong way, right? You follow me, guaranteed it's gonna be wrong. But sometimes I will hold the shoe like this, right? Sometimes I will do it like this, depending on the angle. Circular motion, back and forth. I usually follow kind of like all directions to kind of hit it. Now remember, the brush will not do a super clean job. The way I detail them is I will do this. Sometimes I do the medium first, then the stiff, and then I hand detail it. And then after that, I will actually use my hand with a little tool with the cloth, of course, wrapped around it to start going over every single freaking herringbone traction, grooves, crevices, butt cracks, you name it. And then if I'm not happy, I'm like, still a little bit of dirt, I will do the final round with the stiff brush. So that is why it takes time, and that is why a lot of people don't like cleaning the bottoms. Of course, do the other side off camera. Doing more work than I should be doing. All right, so sorry, yellow fiber cloth. Look at the difference. I don't know if you guys can see it. The bottom, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. You get the idea. I don't wanna go through this on camera. And of course, try to make sure that the laces will get more whiter than it is. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. Probably use a Dawn solution, soak it in, keep cleaning it. Oh my God. You slacker. I got you. If you're gonna chill out like this, look at your legs. Why don't you just help me clean some shoes? Putting the flat Chinese rice noodles inside a tiny tiger hose. Why am I singing this song? I don't know. Maybe it's a Inappropriate Disney song. Oh wow, this makes a huge difference with the laces. You know what? Next time, I'm not even gonna waste my time freaking cleaning laces. I'm just gonna buy new laces. It's cheaper, and then just swap it out and not bother with cleaning the shoes. I mean, oh my god, it looks like a new shoe. This is sick. Oh, you guys are happy? You're happy? Are you happy? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, that's wow. Yeah, I think I'm getting sick. Man, what is wrong with me, man? Okay. Oh my god. In case you guys are wondering, if you ever want to know what Rejuvenator tastes like, with a little bit of shoe dirt, it tastes very bitter. Wow. Made of natural soaps derived from coconut and jojoba oils. Jojoba oils. Warning, eye irritant. Oh, thank God. Oh, I never said do not put it in your mouth. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm good.